Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, in summer season, everyone gets dull and lifeless face skin. But everyone wants glowing skin. So today I am sharing some yoga therapies by which you will get glowing skin. Before start myself, Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. The first therapy name is fish pose. For that, relax in you can sit on chair, on your mat, on your bed, anywhere you can sit and do this yoga therapy like this. Suck your cheeks inside like hold this posture 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, release your posture, give the relax to your cheeks. Now the second one therapy is kiss pose. For that, you need to do like this. Four to 5 times in a day, you practice this yoga therapy. Relax your face muscle. Now the third one is open wide mouth like this. Count 10 breaths in a day 5 times. You practice this one. After 10 breaths, release the posture. Give the relax to your face muscle. Now the last one is Bhramari Pranayama. For that, same. Close your ears by your thumb, your eyes from your fingers. Deep inhale from your nose. Minimum 10 breaths in a day, maximum 20 breaths in a day. You can do this yoga therapy. Again, practice with me with deep inhale. Now slowly release the posture. Relax your breath, relax your face skin. These yoga therapies will helpful to get the glowing skin. So I hope friends you like my content. Namaste, take care and be connected.